Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Buttercup chest in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Buttercup quest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, you will be able to get the Buttercup chest, and from the Buttercup chest, you will have possibility to get the buttercup seed and then the pink bunny and then the big buttercup and also this chest. I don't know what it is called. Okay, it's not that interesting enough. And if you want to get the chest, you need to earn the buttercup coins first by completing the quest. Okay, this is the quest list, and after you finish the quest, you will be able to claim the buttercup coins, and you can go to the shop and buy the buttercup chest, and it costs 3 buttercup coins. Okay, and from this chest, I've already got the pink bunny, and I also got the big buttercup, and this buttercup as well. Oh my god, there is no OP path or OP seed from this update. And yeah, okay guys, that's all the way to get the new Buttercup chest in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Buttercup quest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.